Hey guys, so today I'm going to unpack a 7-inch round lights, 5100 lumens, or I think it's, I believe, like 51 watt. So we have a brochure here. And I got myself a gold one, kind of yellow gold kind of. And my truck is kind of gold color too. And it's have a cooling fins. And this is the bracket for installation. Another one. And here's the brackets are. Okay, so here's the installation. So it's telling you like step by step how to install it. Step 1, 2, 3, even telling you like how to do it with the relay. See the brackets. Few bolts, few nuts, couple of washers. So let's see. This is the light. Over here is a glued in, so no water should come out. It looks like it's watertight, so it's good. It's not very heavy, and this is like, I believe it's like 6,000 like the color quality of 6,000. So the washer here and the bolt. Supposed to be just like so, and from the other side the bolt's supposed to be here. So this is the hardware for the mounting it to anywhere. Plus and minus, universal setup, so it's either you need to order like if you don't really know how to do like electronic and stuff, so just order the some kind of like kit, the plus the turnkey kit or something, but I'll use it on my truck as the fog lights, so I'll be fine. So I'll wire them like myself.